Welcome to our 254-day hands-on course on distributed systems with Python and JavaScript. We will build a production-ready distributed log processing system from scratch, one coding lesson every day. This is a code-first approach, covering tools like Kubernetes, Redis, Elasticsearch, Apache Kafka, and PostgreSQL. This video details the end-to-end pipeline architecture you will build. It includes data ingestion from various sources, processing with Apache Kafka and RabbitMQ, real-time analytics with TimescaleDB, anomaly detection with an ML pipeline, and data visualization using Tableau, Power BI, and Grafana. Are you tired of theory-only courses? Our course solves the problem by providing real working code every day. We build one complete system using all industry tools together, resulting in 254 concrete GitHub-committed outputs, giving you something deployable for your next interview. Our 254-day curriculum consists of 6 progressive modules, moving you from foundational concepts to production scale. We cover everything from setting up your Python and Docker environment to implementing distributed theory and cloud-native production scaling strategies. In Module 3, Day 128, you will dive into the Python and JavaScript client SDK architecture. We focus on building a multi-language client SDK to ingest logs into a central API, supporting various languages and focusing on performance features like batch queuing and async I/O. Module 2, Week 6, focuses on Apache Kafka for real-time stream processing at Netflix/Uber scale. You will learn to use Kafka for log producers, partitioning data, and utilizing Kafka streams for real-time analytics and consumer groups for tasks like error alerting and ML classification. Modules 2 and 3 cover polyglot persistence and the CQRS storage layer. You will learn to choose the right database for every use case, separating reads and writes with a CQRS query router, utilizing Postgres for the write path, and Redis, Elasticsearch, and TimescaleDB for the read path. In Module 2, Day 78, we build a machine learning pipeline for anomaly detection and log classification. This pipeline takes raw Kafka logs, performs feature engineering, uses an ML model classifier, and feeds into an alert engine, similar to systems used by Airbnb and LinkedIn. Module 4, Day 149, focuses on Kubernetes deployment to create a self-healing production platform. We cover log ingestion, stream processing, storage pods, and operations/GitOps tools like Argo CD and Terraform to manage and monitor the entire Kubernetes cluster. You will build systems that mirror the production architectures of tech giants. This includes Netflix's multi-language logging, Uber's real-time processing with Kafka streams, Airbnb's CQRS pattern with Elasticsearch, and Google's SRE practices and Raft consensus implementation. Our daily lessons follow a structured format. For example, Day 6 covers the distributed log query engine, starting with real-world context like Airbnb's setup, moving to architecture, a Python code walkthrough featuring Redis cache-aside and circuit breakers, and concluding with homework and extension. The course offers 254 concrete deliverables, one committed to GitHub every day. This includes a full GitHub repository with tested code, a complete log platform end-to-end, multi-language client SDKs, a cloud-native K8s deployment, distributed systems mastery, and BI/analytics integrations. This course is for everyone, from fresh graduates to senior engineers and specialists like DevOps/SRE. We assume basic knowledge and focus on building systems that translate directly to job skills, covering essential distributed systems concepts and the complete modern data stack. Nothing teaches better than code in action. Join over 29,000 engineers building real distributed systems with one coding lesson every single day. The course offers 254 daily lessons, covers 6 modules, and is 100% hands-on code.